हेलो फ्रेंड, आई नो बहुत टाइम हुआ है मिलके एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई है एंड एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड हियर इज अ रूम टूर व्लॉग। सो अभी तो मैं सो के उठा हूँ एंड आई मीन सो के तो बहुत पहले उठ गया था, टाइम पास करते करते 10 बज गए। एंड हियर्स अ वियर्ड थिंग अबाउट दिस प्लेस, लाइक नो मैटर व्हाट टाइम आई स्लीप आई ऑलवेज एंड अप वेकिंग अराउंड 7:38 एंड फिर मैं बहुत टाइम पास करता हूँ और मैं कुछ काम नहीं करता। फिलहाल तो मैं अकेले रह रहा हूँ एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट्स एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस। अभी कुछ खाया तो नहीं है तो पहले थोड़ा खा लूँगा एंड देन वी हैव अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट। So I've started to have a lot more simpler breakfast, like I eat toast or egg, unlike what I used to eat at home. Yeah, if you're wondering why am I having toast, because I have started to eat less for breakfast since I've come here. Because when you live alone, you start to realize you start to realize how much effort it takes to make food, right? Just to make that toast, I had to first get the butter, the bread, then make it, then wash the dishes, and it's not really worth the effort for me. So I usually have my lunch outside and get my tiffin delivered, and because of that, I kind of lost like 5 to 6 kgs while I'm here, which I don't think is a good thing, but yeah. और हाँ, losing weight से याद आया, I haven't really updated you guys about the no sugar challenge. Did I complete it? I did not do a 30-day challenge. I did a 40-day challenge because once I got in the flow, it was kind of fun to see, how much long I can take the challenge. And it has been really good. I didn't cheat. I didn't I didn't even fall in the gray areas. Like I didn't eat jaggery or honey. I just went straight no sweets. And did I lose weight? Yes, but I think that was mostly because of my calorie deficit diet, because I was also going to the gym. But there are a few benefits that I noticed. You would get clearer skin. Your hair fall might get a bit better because, they're kind of related to the skin and the hair. So yeah, it was fun. I would really love if any of you would try it, because it would make you learn so much about yourself. Like how much can you push your limit? What are your cravings and all of that. And I'm sorry because the ending of that vlog was kind of weird because I didn't have much time. I had a lot of things going in my life and I couldn't give you a proper ending. But hopefully now that I have time, we can talk a lot. Okay, so now without further delaying it, here is my room. Okay, so starting from here, that's my door, that's my slinger bag. These are my shoes. What are those? What are those? Okay, so I'll tell you. This one Prerna has given. This is for table tennis. These are all casual. These are fake Jordans.
Patrick, check out my new shoes.
Damn! That's some nice shoes. Wait a minute, something is not right.
What do you mean?
Your Jordans are fake.
Wait, Patrick, I can explain.
Hey everybody, his Jordans are fake.
No, Patrick, don't tell people.
Did you think you were going to use fake Jordan, not face consequences?
Courtesy of Prerna Parab. And with that, I have this mini sofa kind of thing, which I have my Sinchan pillow, because I'm still a kid. Okay, there are stories behind this. Courtesy of Prerna Parab. This glass has a really interesting story behind it, because we went to watch No Way Home, and I didn't realize that you're supposed to give back the glasses, right? So I just brought them home, and now they're sitting here.
Oh, he's stealing! Oh!
Hey, duh.
Just chill. I'm not stealing. I'm not stealing.
So this is the Devi thing. Don't look at my dirty clothes. So this is kind of, I don't know, a table. This is the kitchen area, which I don't really cook, but I have stuff in case I want to make something. And I usually make bread, omelette, and those kind of stuff. Induction because I don't like gas. I can't trust gas. This is kind of a cute little, dining table. No, I think coffee table. Yeah, that's the right word. It's kind of a coffee table. And if you're wondering if I really keep my houses clean, the answer is yes, because I really like my house clean. I didn't do it for the vlog. This is normally like this. So it's like a really minimal kind of a place. So we have this kind of a partition which divides the sitting area with the bedroom, I guess. I won't really call it a 1 BHK or something because it's really small of a room. But I really love it because, well, first of all, right, here's the thing. Look at the lighting. This window is so cool. That window is so cool. That window is so cool. Okay, and after that, so this is like where I sleep, obviously. I got 2 posters from home. One is from Into the Wild. We're going to talk about this because I love this quote. And that's hope because that's what you need when you're alone. These are 2 cupboards where I store my stuff. This is a fridge. Oh, really? Are you telling me this is a fridge? I didn't know that. Thank you for telling me that, Rituj. This is a mosquito racket because eradicate mosquitoes. This is my study table. This is me. Hi. In case you're wondering if I'm able to study when I look at, myself all the time, the answer is I don't study. Okay, so there's Ganpati. There's my laptop. There's a gift that Prerna gave me. This is also a gift that Prerna gave me. It's basically Prerna owns half of the house. Study lamp, flute. This is where I sit. So yeah, I didn't realize that the room tour would be this short. But this is gonna be much more about, me telling you about how my life in Pune is. Okay, Arpit, I'm really sorry that I'm copying a joke. But here's my bathroom. तो आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ मेरा बाथरूम. आज हम करेंगे बाथरूम का रूम टूर. तो ये है मेरा बेसिन. ये है मेरा पूरा कंटेंट. और जैसे आप देख सकते हैं मेरा बाथरूम CNG पे चलता है. But like, dude, jokes aside, the bathroom is kind of cute too. I mean, look. I mean, the whole color combination matches the whole room. I kind of get a nice view while showering. Yeah. और उससे याद आया, ये रहे मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के स्टोरीज. चलो ये सब बकवास तो ठीक है, but it's more going to be about me talking to you as a friend and sharing my experiences I live alone. And क्या हो गया बताया, मैं अभी अकेले रह रहा हूँ ना, तो I kind of lost my personality as such because I don't have to pretend to be that funny guy or pretend to be that deep spiritual guy to live here, right? I just need to be myself and I forgot who the fuck I was. And अभी मैं वीडियो शूट करने के लिए सोच रहा हूँ आज कौन सी पर्सनैलिटी चूज की जाए. And also like before moving to Pune, I had all these expectations कि मैं जाऊँगा तो मैं ऐसे रहूँगा, मैं ऐसे फन करूँगा, मैं ऐसा vlog बनाऊँगा. But the truth is, तुम जो भी expect करोगे ना वो टूटने ही वाला, because I was thinking so much about this that I forgot that I really don't know anything about what will happen. And to be honest, my reality has become way more fun than what I expected to be. So like, even if you're moving somewhere or you're starting something new, just don't have expectations. That's the most fun part. Because I thought that college life would be like this, I would meet friends like these, but it all turned out so different than what I thought. Also, जब मैं यहाँ पर आया ना, so like I was living alone and I haven't lived alone, like, any time in my life. And it was kind of new to me because the first night when you sleep, and because this area is kind of, isolated, I mean, it's just one chota street here and there's a jungle right in front of me. So the first night I just slept, I was like, oh damn, this is what it feels like living alone. And I think everyone should try because then you'll get to know yourself better. You'll get to know your fears. You'll get to know who you are when no one's around. And the interesting part is that I didn't realize how fast the human mind adapts to new environments, because I thought that, oh shit, I might miss my home, I might miss my routine. But it's like just a week, I am used to the whole thing. I'm used to getting up on my own. I'm used to making my own breakfast. I'm used to eating outside. I'm used to, not having that comfort that I had in Mumbai. और है ना, अभी उससे मेरे को और एक चीज़ याद आई, एंड द थिंग इज लाइक नाउ आई रियलाइज how a person evolves, right? Because I thought ki look, here I am living alone, and then I realized, what did people do when they used to live alone in the earlier time? Like, they did not have people. If they didn't have people to interact, they would have to imagine a god or something, because that's what gives you hope. That's what is like a friend to you. It's like, I think the initial god was a friend. It is more of a companion to make sure that you're not alone, because humans are very social creatures. I mean, I get faith and all, and I think that's where faith came from, right? You believe in something to make sure that you're not alone, to make sure that you're kind of on the right path, you have something to share. So, like, in conclusion, I think the origin of God is loneliness. And I think God was also kind of a coping mechanism for many people who were not accepted by society in some ways, or who lived alone but needed someone to make sure that they're there for them. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ पता है? Because here's the thing, right? See, I don't like fans as such, because the white noise is kind of irritating to me, and I've kept this fan on because it's kind of hot in Pune right now. It's silent, right? When I live alone, it's too silent, and I'm used to noises because I live in Pune. Half of the noise is traffic outside, but in my area, it's not much of a traffic, and I was used to Mumbai also because I lived in a busy street. So I kind of needed noises. So when I first shifted in, I kind of put up podcasts. I put Raw and Real. All I heard was Prakhar, Shwetab, and Vedant talking in my house, because I needed someone to talk to. But now it is good. Now I can talk to myself like a stupid person that I am. But yeah, it's kind of fun now that I can learn to live in silence. You kind of appreciate silence when you live alone. तो ना अब थोड़ा फ्रीडम की बात करते हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट वाज द होल पॉइंट ऑफ मी डिसाइडिंग टू हैव अ कॉलेज इन पुणे, सो दैट आई कैन हैव फ्रीडम. एंड फ्रीडम डिड नॉट टर्न आउट टू बी द वे आई एक्सपेक्टेड इट टू बी, बिकॉज यू थिंक फ्रीडम इज हैविंग फन. देन तुम ना जब ऐसे बच्चे हो तो सोचते हो, जब मैं अकेले रहूंगा ना, घर ही नहीं आऊंगा, 3-4 बजे तक घूमते रहूंगा. बट देन व्हेन यू लिव अलोन, यू लाइक, भैया घर तो आना पड़ेगा, कल सुबह उठना है. सो आई थिंक with great freedom comes great responsibility. And it kind of, reminds me of what Charles Bukowski said, that like some people come alone to their home, they sit on the sofa and they drink the tea, and that's where you choose whether that's loneliness or freedom. And to me, that's freedom, because I've realized that freedom comes at a cost. It comes at a cost of taking care of yourself. And it makes you realize the importance of having people around. That's the irony of it. Now, like when I was in Pune, I had so many friends around. I didn't realize what fun I used to have. But now that I live alone, I crave, I make sure that the next time I meet my friend, I give them as much of me as I can. I guess this is what growing up is, right? Like when you're small, you dream of, growing up, having that freedom, getting rid of all your responsibilities, and you will be like, I would live a carefree life, and I don't have to listen to my mom, my dad. I would do whatever I want. But then you grow up and you realize, damn man, that childhood was so amazing. I didn't have that much of things to worry about. I could do whatever I wanted. Most of the things I needed were taken care of. I didn't have to worry what would I have to eat for dinner. See, I'm not saying that this is bad. Adulthood is fun, but it comes at a price. But the greater the price, the greater the reward. I get so many privileges that I live alone. I don't have to worry about staying up late, getting up on time. I can eat whenever I want. अच्छा हाँ, और तुम लोग से ना थोड़ा बात करने का था. मेरे को ना काफ़ी, रुको बैठ के बातें करते हैं. हाँ, मुझे ना काफ़ी ऐसा एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस होता है, कि दिस कंटेंट दैट आई एम मेकिंग, मैं क्यों बना रहा हूँ. like you guys could go and watch some other YouTuber, some other prettier house, and someone who has really cool life. तो मुझे क्यों देखोगे? And even as a content creator, I hate that word, but someone who likes making art, it kind of feels weird, you know, like there is so much better content out there. Why should I express? Like, look at the whole large scale of it, and I'm like this small part in it. And the truth is, I kind of got the answer, and the answer is that you're watching this right now, and we are kind of talking. We are having this weird kind of a bond. Call it subscriber. I consider you as a friend, but like if you don't want that, then you can call yourself a subscriber. But I think that has meaning. The fact that in your whole life you're watching this short video and we are kind of talking. I don't know who you are, but then I know that you're watching this video for a reason, whatever that reason might be. But it means something. Like it means something that involves me. Happiness is only real when shared. एंड है ना, मैंने ये पोस्टर बहुत पहले लिया था क्योंकि मैंने इनटू द वर्ल्ड देखा था ना. आई वाज लाइक क्या अच्छी मूवी है, एंड सो मैंने पोस्टर खरीदा. एंड फिर मेरे को उसका मीनिंग बहुत बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि अभी जब मैं यहाँ पर आया, आई वाज लाइक कि लाइफ है ना काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल हो सकती है. एज इन आई गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. तो ना मेरे यहाँ से सनसेट काफ़ी अच्छा दिखता है. आई वाज लाइक कि दिस सनसेट इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल, बट इसका मैं करूँ क्या, यू नो. बिकॉज हम लोग बहुत टाइम से चीज़ों को यूटिलिटेरियन काइंड ऑफ व्यू से देखते हैं कि हाउ कैन आई मेक यूज़ ऑफ दिस, हाउ कैन आई ऐड मीनिंग टू दिस. बट वो सनसेट का मीनिंग तब तक नहीं है जब तक मैं वो किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करता. एज इन इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई एन्जॉय इट, आई कैन बास्क इन इट एंड आई कैन अप्रिशिएट इट्स ब्यूटी. बट अगर मैं वो सनसेट किसी के साथ देखूँ, अगर वो सनसेट मैं तुम्हारे साथ देखूँ, आई डोंट नो, इट काइंड ऑफ मेक्स दिस बॉन्ड कि हम दोनों ने एक चीज़ परसीव की, हम दोनों को वो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. एंड इट काइंड ऑफ, आई डोंट नो, इट काइंड ऑफ एनहांसेस दैट एक्सपीरियंस. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक द होल पॉइंट इज दैट हैप्पीनेस और ब्यूटी इज ओनली रियल व्हेन इट इज शेयर्ड. एंड आई थिंक आई गॉट माई आंसर. दैट्स व्हाई आई मेक आर्ट, सो दैट आई कैन शेयर इट, सो दैट you and I can enjoy it both together. And on that note, see you in the next video. Bye.
बुक की उल्टी है.